There are hundreds or even thousands of different Forex strategies, and frankly speaking, 98% of them are useless. They don't show the results you expect. You want to see more profitable trades, but quite often losses exceed profits. If this is about you, watch this video carefully, as I'm gonna reveal my Forex strategy I use for more than 4 years of trading. And I'll show you 5 trades that I made on my real account with this exact strategy. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the alert notification button. That way, when I release more useful content about trading like this, you'll be notified. You might have noticed that sometimes your trading strategy can perform well. It happens because some strategies work best during a sideways trend, others perform well during a downtrend or an uptrend. There are multiple factors that affect the performance of your Forex strategy. I personally have 3 trading strategies that work best under certain conditions in the market, and I'm gonna show you one of them. Step 1. Identify a trend. There are several ways to do it. I'll show you the easiest one. Go to TradingView and pay attention to the price change. If it's above 0.25%, it indicates a strong trend. The higher the ratio is, the stronger a trend is. If it's green, it shows that there is an uptrend. If it's red, it obviously indicates that there is a downtrend at this moment. Additionally, you can add a 200-day moving average. If the price is above the MA, it indicates an uptrend, and vice versa. Step 2. Wait for a pullback. Every trend consists of 2 main parts, which are an impulse and a pullback or correction. Let's have a look at pound US dollar in a 15-minute time frame. We see that the price is below the 200 moving average, and it shows us that there is a downtrend at this moment. Here is an impulse, here is a pullback, impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback, etc. Step 3. Follow the trend. You have probably heard many times that you should follow the trend is your friend, and so on. I'll explain to you what it means. You should make trades when there is a strong trend and when pullbacks occur. Let's analyze my 5 trades that I made on my real account using this exact strategy. The first trade, the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. There was a strong uptrend and we see the impulses and pullbacks. I made a trade when a pullback occurred. I invested 1,200 euros. The second trade, Euro-Yen. We see a solid uptrend and several corrections. I also invested 1,200 euros when a pullback occurred. The third trade, Euro-US dollar. The situation is quite similar to the previous trades, but the pullback is more substantial. The next trade, Pound-Yen. I used the same approach. The trade number 5, US dollar-Yen. There was no pullback at that moment, but the uptrend was so strong that I wanted to follow it without a correction. In several minutes, I started to close my trades. I wanted to make sure that my profit exceeds the commission. The pure profit was 160 euros. It took me 25 minutes to earn money. I had 3 more profitable trades and only 1 trade was unprofitable at that moment. I always check the commission and the profit. So my pure profit was 142 euros and it took me 32 minutes. The commission for the pound-yen was quite high, but I earned 77 euros with this trade and it took me just 14 minutes and 20 seconds. I was going to close the Euro-US dollar trade in several minutes, but I decided to close it earlier. I could have earned more, but it's better to make a profit. So I made 109 euros in almost 26 minutes. I had 1 more trade, which was unprofitable at that moment. In several minutes, I decided to close it. The pure profit was just 31 euros, and it took me almost 20 minutes to close the trade. The gain wasn't big, but it's better to have low profit than a loss. This is my real account, so you can see that I can switch between real and demo accounts. This is my demo balance. You see 50,044 euros. And let's go back to my real account. And here you can see 80,158 euros. So, I have demonstrated how I use my strategy and how it can perform. I made 5 trades, all of them were profitable, and I earned 519 euros in less than 1 hour. Keep in mind that the strategy I showed you today is incomplete. You need more information to make profitable trades. If you want to get the complete strategy I use for more than 4 years of trading, send me an email or visit my website and learn how you can get it. The link is in the pinned comment or in the description box below. Additionally, I will cover such topics as the best time to trade and when you should never trade even if you are confident about the strategy or signals, 2 days a week that are extremely risky and how to avoid them, 5 trading mistakes every trader makes and how to start making money from Forex trading, top performing currency pairs, 3 golden rules on how to make the strategy I mentioned today perform well. Moreover, I'll show you the results my students have using this strategy.
I withdrew $12,000 and now there's $7,120.
Nick Watkins' system is truly amazing. I'm not making $1,000 a day yet, but I am making about $650 per day. I've been able to quit my day job and become a full-time day trader thanks to this system.
So, if you are interested in getting more information, send me an email or visit my website and learn how you can get the complete strategy.